Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today I have the first box of the year 2019 and it's the New Year edition by Lady Raga Bag. As you all know, it's priced at Rs 555 including shipping and I just cannot wait to open it, so let's get started.
Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon.
This is how the box has reached me. It's a normal brown cardboard box as always. So this is how the pouch looks like, and isn't it so gorgeous? It is completely party wear, a beautiful silver color pouch, and I love the texture on it. It looks so cute and pretty. Sadly there is some kind of black color on it, but I can probably clean it up, and the quality is also very good, so definitely happy with the pouch. And here are all the products, so let's go through them one by one. So the first product which I absolutely loved is this Khadi Naturals Herbal Essential Oil, and this is the tea tree oil. I've always told if there is one essential oil I would pick out of all, then it would be a tea tree oil because it's so versatile and I use it so frequently. If you have dandruff, if you have pimples, if you have breakouts, sometimes also, like, I don't have a pimples issue, but I do break out during my cycles, or sometimes if I'm using some new makeup or skincare, if I travel. So this is something that I always keep in handy. It's really helpful. I just mix a little bit of this with any moisturizer that I'm applying, and it really helps in soothing the pimples and kind of suppressing them. So this is a beautiful product, and this is the original Khadi Natural, so I'm really happy to receive this. It's a 15 ml size and the cost of this itself is $3.99. It expires in 9/2021, and here are more details, directions for use, etc. It is 100% tea tree oil, so I am very happy with this. This is how the bottle looks like. Guys, if you don't have a tea tree oil, I think you should just buy this bag because of this, because it's such a versatile product. Even for wounds and all, it's very good. It has antibacterial properties, and for dandruff issues it's really good. You can mix it with your hair oil or shampoo and use it, so definitely give this a try. Then next we have a product from a very well known and one of our favorite brands, Fuchsia. It's their Indian Berry Mulberry Soap Free Face Wash and a full size of 100 ml. The price of this itself is $4.50 and best before 24 months from March 2018. You can see all the details and the ingredients here. It does have many good ingredients, and this is again an organic brand. I love Fuchsia face washes. I've used different variants, if not this. I am definitely happy to receive this. After that we have a body care product, and this is by Akam. This is their Blue Waves 50 ml moisturizing lotion, which has shea butter, aloe extract and vitamin E. So it just says moisturizing lotion, so it can be for your face as well. No, it is a body one because it says take a small amount of the lotion in your palms and apply it on your body. So this is a body lotion worth 180 rupees. Manufactured in June 2018, 50 ml. And here are the ingredients mentioned as well. I love that it has a very nice packaging, comes with a pump packaging, so definitely nice. Fragrance is really good, guys. I really like the fragrance, and it has a lotiony to thick consistency, not a very runny kind of lotion. It will be good for winter, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one out, especially with the amazing fragrance it has. Then next, along with body moisturization, we need a lip balm as well. Very essential during winter times, and this is the 100% organic grapefruit lip balm. It is organic with vitamin E, argan oil and jojoba oil. 12 gram full size. It does not have any color. It's a clear lip balm. And here are the directions for use and the entire list of ingredients. It has grapefruit oil as well, and lots of good ingredients like shea butter, beeswax, kokum butter, etc. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one out. And finally, to complete it, we have a piece of jewelry. You might have seen this earring on my channel already. So this is how it looks. I have 2 pairs of them already, but I absolutely love them. I would love to gift this to somebody I love, or maybe one of you guys. So I'm definitely happy to receive this. They're very trendy and yet very classy. You can pair this with ethnic, modern and Indo-Western outfits. I really like them. Quality wise, it's decent and it's very lightweight as well, but looks very pretty, guys. I'm really happy to receive this design. When I got it first, I was so happy, and now I have so many of them, so I can make some other people happy as well, and that also makes me very happy. So I'm more than happy to receive this. These kind of go very well with the pouch, don't you think? Now, having a look at the info card, it says, "Hey gorgeous, go on a spree with them. New Year celebration themed bag is here." And the moisturizing lotion by Ekam is for 180, as we read. Khadi Essentials oil is for 399. Then face wash is for 40, we read again. The earrings are mentioned as 200. The lip balm is 200 and the Lady Raga bag is 325. It is a good quality bag. I'm not sure if it would be worth 325, but it is a good quality one and you can definitely consider it as a product. So those are all the products in the New Year edition of Lady Raga bag for the month of January 2019. I am definitely very happy. For a price tag of 555 including shipping, it's value for money, especially because you're getting a tea tree oil, which is a really good product and handy product that everybody should have in my opinion. And then all the other three products are some things that anybody can use. So there is nothing that you would not like or you would not use. A face wash, a body lotion and a lip balm during winters are very essential. The earring is also very pretty. Anybody can wear this, whether you are a young girl or a lady who wears saris and all. This is very versatile. So overall, I'm happy with the bag. If you guys liked it, you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. I'll have all the links and details mentioned in the description as well. So make sure you check it out. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.